Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English Unleashed podcast. Hello to all our wonderful friends listening at home, at work, or even on the bus. It is so good to be with you today. I'm feeling really good today. I feel fresh, the sun is shining, I have my tea, and I'm ready to chat with you. Today, I feel a little bit nostalgic. Now, nostalgic is a big word, so let me explain it simply. Nostalgic means thinking about the past and remembering old memories. And the reason I feel nostalgic today is because one year has just finished and a new year is starting. This time of year is special. It's the perfect moment to look back and think about the last 12 months. We call this reflection. Reflection means thinking about the good things and the bad things from the year. But before we start reflecting, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoy learning English with me, please click the subscribe button. It really helps the English Unleashed podcast grow. Also, please click the like button and give this episode a thumbs up. And don't forget to share this podcast with your friends, especially if they want to improve their English. Thank you so much. All right, let's talk about the year. When I think about last year, the first thing that comes to my mind is time. Honestly, the year went very fast. January feels like it was yesterday. I remember New Year's Day last year. I was with my family and we ate a big dinner. It feels strange because now a whole year has passed. Sometimes I ask myself, where did the time go? Time flies when we are busy. And yes, I was very busy last year. I worked a lot, I traveled a little, and I spent time with friends. That's probably why the year felt so fast. But not every month felt the same. Some months were fast and some were slow. February felt very slow. It was cold, it rained a lot, and I stayed inside most of the time. Winter can feel very long. But summer was different. Summer went very fast. I went hiking, I spent time outdoors, and I had a lot of fun. Fun times always pass quickly. Now let's use some grammar together. Let's talk about the past simple tense. The past simple is used for finished actions in the past. One big thing I did last year was starting a new hobby. I started playing the guitar. At first, it was difficult. My fingers hurt, and I wasn't very good. But I practiced a lot. I bought a guitar in March, took online lessons, and played every week. Now I can play 3 simple songs, and I'm very happy about that. So we use the past simple because the year is finished. I played, I practiced, I learned. But we also use another tense, the present perfect. The present perfect connects the past to now. For example, I can say, I have learned a lot this year. The learning happened in the past, but it is important now. I can also say, I have made new friends. I have recorded many podcast episodes. I have helped many students improve their English. When I look back, I realize that reflection is not only about events, it's also about change. So how have I changed? I think I have become more adventurous with food. Before, I only ate simple food like pizza, sandwiches, and salad. But this year, I have tried new things. I have eaten sushi, and I have eaten spicy curry. Sometimes my stomach was surprised, but I enjoyed it. Trying new things makes life more exciting. Now, let me ask myself a big question. What was the biggest lesson I learned last year? After thinking about it, my answer is this: rest is productive. I like to work. I like to stay busy. In the past, I felt guilty when I stopped working. Even sitting on the sofa felt wrong. But last year, I became very tired. I was exhausted, so I had to slow down. I slept more, I took breaks, and I realized something important. When I rest, I work better later. Rest is not wasting time. Rest is preparing yourself to do good work. That lesson changed how I live. Now I take breaks, and yes, I even take naps. Another important lesson I learned last year was about friendship. Good friends are like family. Last year, I had a difficult time. I was sick and my family was far away. I felt alone, but my friends were amazing. They checked on me, they helped me, they supported me. That's when I realized that friends are not just for fun. They're there for support. They take care of you. Hard times often teach us the best lessons. That's why I believe in this idea: no regrets, only lessons. If you made a mistake last year, that's okay. If you learned from it, then it wasn't a bad experience. Now, as the new year begins, I feel ready. I feel calm, motivated, and excited for new adventures. I know you, as listeners, have your own stories. Maybe you learned to cook. Maybe you learned a new skill. Maybe you learned English. If you are listening to this podcast, you have learned English this year. That is a big achievement. You should be proud of yourself. Before I go, I have a question for you. What was the biggest lesson you learned last year? Write your answer in the comments. You can use the past simple, I learned, I realized, or the present perfect, I have decided, I have understood. I love reading your comments. Thank you so much for listening to the English Unleashed podcast. Please subscribe, share this episode, and keep learning. Happy New Year, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, and have a great week.